In this lecture, we will study the methods of charging. There are three methods of charging a body. First method is rubbing or frictional method, which you have studied earlier. The second method is charging by conduction. Suppose I have a conductor and I have to charge it. That means I have to create a net charge on it. Initially, this conductor has equal number of positive and negative charge. So net charge is 0 and we have to charge it by method of conduction. To do so, I bring another material, say plastic. I rub it on silk and create some charge on it. This plastic has got negatively charged and I make a contact to this uncharged body. Remember, contact is must. Then some electrons or negative charge from plastic will come to the uncharged metal. So, who push that negative charge? Answer is similar charges repel each other and they will go to the surface. Similar charge repel each other and they will come to the surface. And that excess charges are always located on the surface. If I touch it, to another conductor, then it finds a path and it will move. It will move until both have equal number of charges. Now both have equal forces and both repel each other and flowing of charge will be stopped. For example, suppose this plastic has an excess of 10 negative charges. When I make it contact to the uncharged body, one negative charge is transferred from plastic to this uncharged metal. Now, this metal is having one negative charge, this metal is having one negative charge, and this plastic is having 9 negative charge. Because one negative charge is left the plastic. This process is going on until the two body are having equal charges. Now, no more charges can be transferred because both have equal forces and both repel each other. So, in this example, the maximum charge can be given to the transferred body is minus 5 coulomb. And this plastic will be also having charge minus 5 coulomb. Now, this uncharged body has an excess of 5 electrons and becomes negatively charged body. But the limitation is by conduction method we cannot transfer full charges to this uncharged body. Here in this example, we cannot transfer 10 electrons. Only 5 electrons are transferred. Another thing is that to make a body negatively charged, we have to contact a negatively charged body. And to make a body positively charged, we have to contact this body with a positively charged body. The another method of charging is charging by induction. Let's make a uncharged body. Let's take a uncharged body, that means net charge is 0. To make it charge through induction method, let's take a negatively charged body at certain distance. Due to induction, positive charge will come to one side and negative charge get repelled and go to another side. This method of separating the charges is called polarization of charges. Here, the positive charges which are bound to stay near negatively charged body are called bound charges, and the negative charges are called free charges. If we connect it to the earth, then this negative charge will move away to the earth and the body becomes positively charged. So, to make a body positively charged, we have to take a negatively charged body near the uncharged body. And to make a body negatively charged, we have to take a positively charged body near it. So, this is all about the induction method for charging, and here in this method the bodies may be charged permanently. Thank you.